Words that start with the letter K, L, M, and N. K. Words that start with the letter K, L, M, and N. K. Kangaroo. A kangaroo has strong legs and a long tail and carries its baby in a pouch. Karate. Karate is a way of protecting yourself with your arms, legs, hands and feet. Key. You can use a key to open a lock. King. A king is a man who rules a kingdom. Kite. A kite is a toy that is flown in the wind at the end of a long string. Knee. The knee is the joint where the upper leg and lower leg come together. Knock. To knock, you hit something to make a sound. Koala. A koala has thick grey fur, no tail, and sharp claws for climbing. L. Ladder. A ladder is a set of steps you can climb to reach something that is up high. Lamb. A lamb is a young sheep. Lamp. A lamp gives off light so you can see when it gets dark. Lemonade. Lemonade is a drink made with lemon juice, sugar and water. Librarian. A librarian is someone who's in charge of a library. Library. A library is a building with lots of books that you can borrow. Lighthouse. A lighthouse is a building with a big light that helps guide ships. Lion. A lion is a large wild cat that roars. Words that start with the letter K, L, M, and N. Words that start with the letter K, L, M, and N. M. Magnet. A magnet is a piece of iron or steel that can attract iron. Mirror. A mirror is a piece of glass that shows your reflection. Moon. The moon goes around the earth and reflects the light of the sun. Words that start with the letter K, L, M, and N. Mountain. A mountain is a very high hill. Mouth. The mouth is the opening where food goes in and sounds come out. Mug. A mug is a cup with a handle. Museum. A museum is a building where you can learn about interesting things. Musician. A musician is someone who writes, sings, or plays music. N. Napkin. A napkin is a cloth or paper used to wipe the lips or fingers. Neck. The neck connects the head and the main part of the body. Necklace. A necklace is a piece of jewelry worn around the neck. Nest. A nest is a place where eggs are laid and hatched. Noodles. Noodles are thin strips of dough cooked in boiling water. Notebook. A notebook is a book you can write in. Nurse. A nurse is trained in caring for people when they are sick or injured.